सुंदर बात, इतना सुंदर सोच। और अभी गीती जी ने कितनी अच्छी तरह से, इसमें अब नहीं जाऊंगा कि कितनी अच्छी तरह बता चुकी हैं इस कैपेसिटी टू राइट ऑन इंटरनेशनल सीन, नेशनल सीन। I think he was the kind of person and art critic who knew artists from all over the country. Friends, not only from Delhi or from North, South, East. वो उनकी एक क्वालिटी थी, वो हम सब में रहा है। संगीत के साथ एक चीज मेरी, एक संबंध मेरा ये भी जोड़ता है कि हम रिचर्ड बार्थोलोम्यू, केशव मलिक, नायर साहब, गीती सेन और गीता कपूर, इनकी बाद की पीढ़ी, ठीक बाद की पीढ़ी, ये चीज सुमित को और मुझे ज्यादा जोड़ती थी, क्योंकि हमने उनके साथ भी बहुत समय बिताया और हम आपस में समय बिताते थे, तो ज्यादा दोस्तों की तरह।
I think it's very important for art would not be there if art critics were not there, and it is very important to give the credit to people who have lived their life and worked for art, because it is one of the most important part which keeps our culture and our traditions and our society together. It's very important.
आप सही कह रहे हो। देखिए, हम भी लोग इसी एक सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंग के कारण के हम आर्ट को बिलोंग करते हैं, और तो आर्ट को बिलोंग करते हैं। 60 साल हो गए। Now it's so much. I started writing at the age of 21. जतिन बैठे हुए हैं,
Jatin Das ji is there. We have all the artwork. Agna there, Dolly there. So all the artists. How many friends are here? I'm so happy. He would have been so happy. This young boy Arjun is there, who's starting out with the contemporary artwork. So I'm very excited to see faces who are going to be there and carrying on the tradition of art. I would like to just put in two things. Sunit Chopra, when I met him, he told me, the first harvest that we made, it was very interesting. I want to tell you because it will be very interesting to know for young people. I said, Sunit, you're the art critic. I'm giving you a remuneration for it, so you should make the catalog. He said, I'm so sorry, Payal. You will go physically. He made me measure every work. He said, turn around the catalog, turn around the painting, see where the signature is, see what the medium is, see what the year is. So I learned how to make an entire catalog, due to which now I've become such a pro at making catalogs, only thanks to Sunit Chopra, who taught me how to learn and research for each artwork that I put in the catalog. He used to vet all the catalog works for every artist for me. And this is what makes the art critic so great. His language, his words, Jaise Priyag ji and Geeti ji, whenever they speak, it's such simple words, but they mean a lot. And that is why it was amazing that some of the major works that Sunit has purchased for the gallery collection, actually, whatever he wrote, Geeti wrote, and Priyag ji has written on some of the artists who they are experts at. And it has been my pleasure, because this is a double whammy for Harvest. Thank you so much. I'd like you to please inaugurate Harvest 2024 with the opening of the catalogue, which is a tribute to Sunit Chopra.
बस आखिरी बात, एक तो ये इन दोनों किताबों को हाथ में लेकर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि आपने बड़ा सुंदर काम किया है। आपने किया, परिवार ने किया, और हम ही लोगों को तो करना है।
It's so important to remember him with the happiness and hoping that our Indian art just keeps going leaps and bounds. And this is the first part of the catalogue. The second part you have to wait and watch, because that will be this younger section. This is the basis of Indian art. As Sunit used to call them, masters नहीं कहते हैं, इसको Indian modern art कहो, इसको masters का वाला section नहीं बोलो, Indian modern art बोलो। So